If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking all about D major. We're going to do the D major scale with two sharps, F sharp and now C sharp. We'll do that in the right hand, then the left hand, and then both hands. Starting on D in my right hand, the first time we'll go with letters, and the second time we'll go with fingering numbers. Ready. On D with the thumb, we start D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Bring it back down, F sharp, E, D. With fingers and numbers, that would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And our left hand, starting on D, first time with note names, same note names, it's D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. With fingerings, pinky is 5, starting on D, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both hands, very slowly, go. Back down. Go through that again for more practice. I encourage it, and then play on to our next scale video.